The tube. Right. Which one of the following is not a female accessory duct? Right. Each oviduct is about long. A. 5 to 6 millimeters. B. 10 to 12 centimeters. Right. What is indicated by A in the figure? A. Right. What is indicated by B in the figure? A. Spermatozoa. B. Spermatogonia. C. Interstitial. Right. What does C in the figure represent? A. Interstitial cell. Right. What is indicated by D in the figure? A. Spermatid. B. Spermatozoa. C. Spermatogonia. D. Interstitial cells. Wrong. The funnel-shaped part of fallopian tube which traps ovum is known as. Right. Isthmus, a part of oviduct, is a narrow lumen and joins A. Uterus. B. Ampulla. Right. The anatomical structure which succeeds infundibulum is A. Isthmus. B. Ampulla. C. Uterus. D. Ovary. Right. Finger-like projection of infundibulum are known as. Right. Uterus is commonly known as A. Birth canal. B. Womb. Right. The uterus opens into vagina through A. Ampulla. Right.